Okay, I've got a set of 8. We're going to start with an inchworm walkout to a pop jack. So that means I'm going to inchworm out this way. When my hands are up, pop my feet up, pop my feet back, reverse inchworm to upright position. Exercise 2 is going to be a goblet squat to a deadlift. So I'll take my dumbbell crosswise and hold the ends in my hands for the goblet squat this way. Usually I let it hang vertically, but we'll take it across our body this way. And then for our deadlift, so goblet squat into deadlift. Then we've got bear with lateral tap. I'm sorry. So bear hold here. I'm going to tap left, right. This can be a hop, or it can be a tap walk. Then we've got kickstand deadlift. So that means foot coming 1 foot behind me. We've got low plank, pull up to down dog. So low planks on our elbows. Whoops, my God, it's sliding. Okay, that pull up means I'm coming up to my tippy toes. Sorry, it's probably just barely, or you can barely see me. Up to my tippy toes, rocking back and forth, and then pressing my feet up into a down dog, but on my elbows. So staying on my elbows, rocking up, and then put my feet up. Then we've got, let's see, Superman with lateral pull down. So I'm going to be on my stomach, press up, pressing my upper body up and my feet off the mat. And as I pull up, I'm going to pull those arms down as though I were doing a lateral pull down motion, like at the gym with the bar, pulling those elbows in toward my side. Then low plank with alternating reaches into a down dog. So I'm going to reach up left, reach up right, and then press my feet up into the air as much as you can. Make a down dog on your elbows. And then we will end with kneeling curls. So the reason we're going to do that is just to isolate that bicep. So down on one knee, single arm bicep curl, kneeling like that. All right. I will get music started. Okay, so we're going to inchworm walk out to that pop jack. Go. Break. Round 2. Go. Break. Ooh. Round 3. Go. Break. Halfway there. Here we go. Round 4. Go. Inch forward, walk it out. Pop your feet up and back. Break. 2 more. Break. Last one. Go. Break. All right, good work. We are going to do a stability work. So reverse lunge into a single leg hinge. So reverse lunge, stay on that same leg, single leg hinge. This side for 1 minute, then we'll switch. Good work, halfway there. Switch sides. Drive through that front heel. Halfway there. Great. All right, we've got that goblet squat to deadlift now. So you're going to grab either end of that weight for a squat. That weight comes down, deadlift. Squeeze your glutes. Great. Round two. Go. Great. Good work. Round three. Go. Great. Go. Great. Two more. Go. Last one. Go. Oh. All right, head to the mat for core. Flat on your back. We'll start with alternating knee up to a single leg V up. Okay, so left knee to chest, right knee, and then left foot up for a V up, right foot up. Good work, halfway down this one. If you're just tuning into the recording, I apologize for my camera. I tried something different using borrowing a laptop since my sound wasn't working, but now for some reason this one gives me limited view. So all right, you're flat on your back for leg raises. Good work. Great. All right, you're over on hands and knees. We've got lateral bear hold with a lateral toe tap. So I'm going to come up in bear position and reach that left foot out for a tap, and then right foot out. Out and in, out and in. Great. And if you want a challenge here, you can switch this into a hop. Go, so lift those knees. And it's like you've got a little ski jump side to side. Or ice skaters, I guess that's what those are. Great. Whew. Round 3 coming up. Go. Great. Go. Great. 2 more. Here we go. Go. One more. Go. Great. Good. Roll over on your back. You're going to start butterflying your knees out. But instead of a sit up, you're actually going to bring those hips up. Your feet up and then your hips up. Kind of like a leg raise, but with your feet butterflied out. All right, now that you've got your hold of that motion, when you bring your feet up, you're going to do a sit-up and cross the opposite foot with the opposite hand. All right, you can go ahead and rest those feet on the mat. Butterfly sit-up. Good work. 10 seconds here. Then we're going to be up for our kickstand deadlift. Great. Woo. To your feet. Grab 2 dumbbells. Kickstand deadlift. Press one foot behind the other. Go. I said behind the other, but still beside each other. Hip width apart. Great. Push those feet out. Go. Great. Go. Great. 3 more. Go. Great. All right, 1 more each side. Go. Break. Last round. Put your feet out again. Go. Great. Put those weights aside. All right, I have a low impact cardio. So of course, if you want to make it impact, that's fine. So you're doing first lunge, each side, left, right, step out, wide squat, step in, regular squat, skip with squat, cycle back to that lunge. If you want to add a little more cardio to it, you can jump into those squats. Sure. Great. All right, we're down on the mat for that low plank pull up into a down dog. Okay, so the low plank here, pull up as I'm rocking my tippy toes, and then pressing my feet back. Great. Woo! That's a quad burner. Quad burner. Here we go, round 2. Go. Great. Round 3 coming up. Here we go. Go. Great. Halfway there, 3 more. Go. Great. Good work. Go. Break, one more. I figured it's Friday, it's okay to wear us out, right? This is a tough set, go. Freak. All right, you're over flat on your back. Or it's going to be dead bug. Ooh, bend those knees. Hands are over your chest, alternating, stretching out that hand and foot. Pressing your lower back into the mat. All right, we'll bend our knees for crunches. Reaching out and up. All right, halfway here. Let's 30 seconds on crunches. Then we're going to flip over to on our torsos, Superman lift. We'll lift our torso into our feet, lower leg off the mat. And as we lift our torso, our hands are going to come up overhead. So wherever we're drawing our elbows down toward our sides. Go ahead and flip over. Enjoy that 5-second rest on your belly. Whew. All right, lift up. Draw those shoulders down toward your side. Or your shoulders, I'm sorry, your elbows. I didn't take anatomy, okay. All I had to pass for this certification is the only anatomy I've had in my life. Great. Woo. Round 2. Go. Reach. Good work. Round 3 coming up. All right, reach those fingers overhead. Draw those elbows down to reach your side. Shout out to Marsha Pratt, who is doing the recordings at the Rainy Beach, right at OBX. And I think I'm going to be driving into that rain tonight. So for a few rainy days, it's not so. Let's go. I guess I'll appreciate that it's cooled things off. It's been dry in Fayetteville, just Great. Dry and cooler, so that's the nice. It is supposed to rain today, I guess. So, oh well. Here we go. Great. We've got one more. Yep, one more. Here we go. Go. Reach those fingertips out. Draw your elbows in towards your side. Last one here. And you're going to come up to hands and knees, tabletop position. Great. All right, from there into tabletop position. Low impact cardio again. We're going to bird dog, which means stretch our opposite hand, opposite foot out, in front, behind. We're going to cycle through that a few times, and then we're going to add a complexity there. Okay, so hopefully you stabilize there. Figured out that move. This next round, we're going to extend out in front and behind. Then we're going to rotate out to the side, back to the center, then back to the mat. Switch sides. Reach, rotate, center, mat. Good work. About 40 seconds left. Great. All right, we've got another plank series. So you're going to start in low plank, alternating your hand out in front of you, lifting onto balance, one elbow. Great. Good. Next, second round, let's go high to low plank. Down to elbow, then back up to palm. Great. Let's go high plank to opposite ankle tap. Face your high plank. Down dog for ankle tap. Other side. Back to a high plank. Break. Same thing. Here we go. Go. Good work. Let's come down, back down for bears or low planks with a reach. Go. Freak. Good work. Last one. Last one, same thing. Low plank with the reach. Here we go. Go. Freak. Good work. All right, you're over on your back. Ooh. Flutter kick. Go. Keep kicking. More than halfway there. Keep kicking. Ten. Whew. All right, bend those knees for penguins, side to side. Good work. Keep it up. About 20 seconds left. Great. All right, you're going to grab that single weight for a kneeling dumbbell. So maybe grab yourself a challenge weight in addition to your regular bicep curl weight. I'm going to be down on one knee, pressing that elbow to my inner thigh. Great. Okay, that feels like a very dude exercise. I usually don't do these. Switch sides. This feels like muscle head at gym curl. Maybe that's what we'll call it. I like that it isolates. I think I like that. Great, good five. Go. I'm really not liking how dark it is in the morning. It's starting to be really evident that we're approaching fall. Great. Five, we're halfway there. This will be round 4. Go. One more each side. Go. Next week should be a fully regular schedule, so Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, 5:40 a.m. Wednesday, 6:40 a.m. Great. Last one, switch sides. Go. I'm going to survey my evening folks to see which date they'll like better. But if you're doing a recording and want to vote on an evening time next week, let me know. I'm happy to do one or two if people are interested. It's the last, great. It's the last empty looking week on my calendar up here. So, all right, take one arm across the body. Get the shoulder stretch. Other side. I know we started a little bit late, so we'll do this quickly. Overhead. Side. Gold pose. You can lift. All right, side lunge. Other side. Cycle around to a runner's lunge. Hip flexor. Walk those feet out. Press into that hip flexor. Good job. Have a good day.